Hey guys, just want to share with you my day trade I took on the pound USD. So we had a few reasons to take it. First of all, I was looking at the shorter time frames. So let's go on the 1 hour there. And the 4 hour you can see it's in a downtrend and the 55 is rolling over there. And basically I looked at the 1 hour and I was looking at this zone here, the big green candle, and then we had the momentum pushing down. Hasn't really retested this region there after the breakout, and I put a fib in there, got 78.6 fib, 200 moving average, and also the trend line going down there. So now I took the entry down there, and also what was another confluence was it did 140 pips all the way from there to there. I think that was the move today. Yes, so it did 140 pips today, and that's more than its daily average was 85 pips. So if it was going to lose some steam anywhere, it would have been there. Um, which is why I also put a trade there. Now my stop loss was in here, which was around 45 pips. I have moved it to around 13 pips there. So basically risking less because the trade has now moved down. Um, and what I'm going to do is, because it's almost the end of the London session, it's 60 pips in profit. I am going to scale out of the trade and take like half of it off. Let me take 70% off actually. It's around one lot, so 0.70%. I'll close the trade, and basically then I will now uh, let me see where I can put my stop. So I can move my stop loss to break even. So I'll just move it there, and that's like a risk-free trade now. So let's see where it goes. My original target is in here, which is a so it's 90 pips. So I'll see where it goes from there.